Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, September the 11th, and they are good up until Saturday, September 17th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Also guys, I want to mention that you guys may hear that beeping sound throughout the video. I need to change my batteries in the smoke detector, so please forgive me for that. I'm gonna try my best to not make this video long at all, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into the deals. So on this transaction, I use a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and then I also combine that with a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. This is everything that I grabbed, and guys, this was a great transaction for me. I was able to get everything for less than $5. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Downy Unstoppables. So I grabbed 2 of the Downy Unstoppables, and this is the 14.8 ounce. These are priced at Walgreens for $10.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So I went ahead and purchased 2 at $10.99, and that brought my total to $21.98. I had 2 $2 digital coupons on my Walgreens account, so that's a total of $4 in digital coupons that I used. So $21.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to $17.98. And then I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing 2. With receiving this $5 registry reward, that brought my total down to $12.98 for both, or it makes each one just $6.49. But of course I didn't pay that price for that. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of these Garnier Fruit Teas, and these are the conditioners. And remember, whenever you are using a digital coupon, you want to make sure you grab the same product. So I had to go ahead and grab 3 of the same kind. I would usually grab a shampoo and a conditioner, but this time I grabbed all 3 conditioners just to ensure that my digital coupon came off. So these are priced at Walgreens at $2 for $8. I purchased 3, so each one of them rang up at $4 each. So total for all 3 is $12. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 3 at $12 total. We have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus that $5 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $7. And then you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards when you buy 3, bringing the total down to just $2 for all 3, or it'll make each one just 66 cents. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that digital coupon, that brought my total down to $3.98. And then I did receive back my $4 registry reward right here. With receiving this $4 registry reward, that made both tubes of toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Crest Pro Health Advanced Extra Whitening toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $6. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So with using that $3 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $3. And then you will get back a $3 registry reward for purchasing both. And with receiving this $3 registry reward, it makes both of those tubes of toothpaste completely free. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I purchased 3 packages of the Angel Soft Tissue. The 6 mega equals 24 regular rolls. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.69. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $4.69, and that's going to bring your total to $14.07. We do have a $150 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that $150 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $12.57. And then since I purchased 3, I did receive back this $3 registry reward. And with receiving this $3 registry reward, that brought my total down to just $9.57 for all 3, or it makes each one just $3.19. So that is everything that I got, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So as you guys can see, there are the 2 Downy Unstoppables at $10.99, so $21.98 for both. The Garnier Fructis at 2 for $8. Each one rang up at $4 each, so $12 total. And then both of my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99 each, so $7.98. Both of my Crest toothpaste at $3 each, so $6 for those. And then all 3 of my Angel Soft tissue at $4.69 each, so that total is $14.07. Right here where it says point coupon purchase, that is the paper spin booster that I had. Get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. The $5 is for the Garnier Fructis, the $4 for the Colgate, the $3 for the Crest, $2 for one of my Downy Unstoppables, my second $2 for my second Downy Unstoppables, and then my $150 for the Angel Soft tissue. So that's one thing that went very well with this transaction, you guys. All of my digital coupons came off. I had absolutely no issues. And so it brought my subtotal to $44.53. Now, I was supposed to use $10 in Walgreens cash on this transaction, you guys, but I got sidetracked at the store because one of the cashiers started talking to me. She was asking about the deals that I had gotten this week. And so I ended up getting sidetracked, and I paid for this entire transaction with my PayPal debit card, but I was planning on using my $10 in Walgreens cash, but that's okay because with my PayPal debit card anyway, that is what I used to pay for my coupon, and so it's fine, but I really did want to use my $10. So $44.53. And then when you look down here where it says earn this visit, I did earn back $24.62. So my total came out to be $44.53. I earned back $24.62. Of that $24, $10 came from my digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens when you spend $50. $9 came from my paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. $5 came from purchasing 3 of the Garnier Fructis, and then the extra 62 cents is the Walgreens everyday cash. So $44.53 minus that $24.62 that I received in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $19.91. Then I received back my $5 register reward for purchasing 2 of the Downy, my $3 register reward for purchasing 3 of the Angel Soft, my $4 register reward for purchasing 2 of the Colgate, and my $3 register reward for purchasing 2 of the Crest. So that is a total of $15 in register rewards that I received. So $19.91 minus the $15 that I received in register rewards, you guys, that brought my grand total down to just $4.91 for everything that you see here. So I got all of this stuff for less than $5. This was a fantastic transaction, so I had to come on here and show you guys what I did. So if you all enjoyed this video, do me a favor and go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section letting me know what you guys plan on getting from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipts, and I think I got like 79 points for my Colgate. So if you're not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So that is going to be it for this video today, you guys. Again, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.